Hello, good morning. Those who are all watching this video, I hope you are all good. By the way, myself Mohammed Salman from MBA Department, Pesit College, Shimoga. Today I am going to present about Britannia Industries Limited under the guidance of Arvind Malik, Assistant Professor of MBA Department, Pesit College, Shimoga. And I also prepare the internship report about the Britannia Industries Limited. By the way, I will tell you what is internship. Okay. Let's discuss what is internship. Internship means it is an opportunity given by the company to the students to work there. It may be paid or voluntarily. I mean, some company will pay us to work there. Some company will not pay. It means we have to, as a voluntary, we have to work there. It is all for all students, not only for marketing students. It is for all sales students, marketing students, IT students, management students. It is useful for students only because it helps to us to grow our knowledge, skills, and also it helps for us getting experience how to work there. It may be its time for, it may be for 1 week or it may be for as long as 1 year. We should have to work there as per our guidelines. Okay, let's discuss what are the contents today I am going to explain. These are all the contents, I mean industry overview, background, nature of the product, products, SWOT analysis, what are the company's vision and mission. These are all I am going to explain you today. Let's discuss. Of course, it is a logo of Britannia Industries company. How it looks like. Its tagline is "Eat healthy and think better." And let's discuss industry overview. Yeah, we'll discuss what is our industry. Britannia Industries is come over food processing industry. Let's discuss about it. What its name has come as Britannia Industries Limited. Later it has changed to Britannia Biscuit Limited. It is founded in the year 1892. Right now its headquarters is in Bangalore, Karnataka, and its revenue is nearly $1.5 billion rupees, and also nearly 4,500 employees are working in Britannia Industries Limited. Yeah, what is the background of company? Let's talk how Britannia Industries come to the public. Okay, the company was established in the year 1892. It's an English businessman who started in small house in Kolkata for just 295 rupees. Of course, 295 is a small amount right now, but the year of 1892, 128 years ago, 295 rupees is not a small amount. It's a very big amount. After that, it was acquired by Gupta brothers, mainly Nalin Chandragupta. After 26 years ago, I mean in the year of 1918, English businessman, which his name is C.H. Holmes, he paid a partnership with them, and later it was converted into Britannia Industries to Britannia Biscuits Limited. Yeah, let's talk about nature of the business, nature of the Britannia Biscuit Limited. There are number of products available here, right? Biscuit, bread, rusk, dairy products, also number of products. It is for all public. It is not only for biscuit, is not only for children. It may be a aged person, teenagers, not like that. Their company is for everyone, for small kid to aged persons. As I told you, it was established in the year 1892 in Kolkata. Okay, let's tell about the products. What are the products available in Britannia company? The products are biscuit, bread, rusk, dairy products, number of products. The biscuit is number of biscuit, as we know that not one or two is a multiple number of biscuit they are producing, like Marigold, Mary Light, 50/50, Tiger biscuit, like number of products they are available in the Britannia Market Limited. Okay, let's talk about awards. Yeah, of course, it's a very important that how the company will growing. It will show us. Awards means a company holds number of awards like that. As I write here, Global Performance Excellent Award, and also the Britannia Biscuit Limited Global Performance Excellent Award. It name itself tell only global means across the earth. For best performance, they won the Global Performance Award, and also the Best in Class Award. They won Best in Class Award for the purpose of they are providing good quality biscuit to the public. So they won these number of big awards in their industries. And let's discuss about future plans. It's a very important, because what is future plan? What they are thinking in their mind, how they have to grow. I mean, how they want to explain the company in the industry. Now they are ready to invest more than 200 crore rupees in upcoming 3 years. I mean, in the year of 2022, they are ready to spend 300 crore rupees in the country of Dubai and Oman. And also they are ready to invest more than 500 crore rupees in the South African countries, because they want to expand their company. And right now there are more than 60 countries across the globe their products are available. And let's discuss about SWOT analysis. Of course, SWOT, there are 4 words, SWOT, which means strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. What are the SWOT of the company? its strength is brand portfolio. Yeah, of course, its name itself is a brand. As we go to ask a child, do you know about Britannia? Yes, of course, he will tell us what is Britannia, because number of products are available in Britannia, and also more than 120 years they are from last 120 years they are product are available to us. Let's talk about the weakness of the company. Of course, weakness means there are no overseas product, means they are trying to in Dubai and Oman, they are not in that country, so trying to there. And opportunity means no overseas, they have only one opportunity, not like that, there are number of opportunities. Main opportunities, they have to produce their country in another country also, like I told you, Dubai and local dairy and bakeries. There are no small for Britannia. There is no shops for Britannia which is available dairy products. There is their threats. And last is vision and mission. What it means? Their vision of the company is every third person is a customer of the company. They want to every person is a customer. Out of the every one customer, they want to loyal as the customer. And as we talk about mission means it is one of the best biscuit company. They want to hear every mouth of the person, means they want to hear that yes, it is the best company. So that is their vision. And okay, thank you. This is for today enough. Thank you so much who are all listening to me, and thank you so much who gave precious time to me. Thank you.